This is the Donnelly, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers' newest hopper dredge, now taking shape at Eastern Shipbuilding Group's Allanton Shipyard in Panama City, Florida. Built to replace the nearly 60-year-old dredge McFarland, the Donnelly is a modern ready reserve dredge that will help keep America's shipping channels open and safe.
My name is Mike Hess. I'm the captain of the dredge McFarland and soon to be captain of the dredge Donnelly. The McFarland is responsible for dredging all navigation channels on the entire eastern Gulf Coast of the United States. And if those channels aren't maintained, then larger commercial vessels aren't able to get in with their full draft. The ship we've been operating is very traditional, conventional propellers, rudders, everything's analog. The new ship is diesel-electric, podded propulsion. It's got a larger hopper, it's got active jetting, it's going to have autopilot, dynamic positioning, it'll have dredge track, so you'll essentially be able to lay down the track and it'll stay on it by itself.
Right now, she is still a work in progress. Blocks of steel, scaffolding, cranes, and welders' arcs. But every piece you see is part of a future ship that will help the Corps respond to our nation's navigation challenges and keep commerce flowing in and out of our ports. To understand why the Donnelly matters, it helps to understand dredging itself. A hopper dredge like the Donnelly works like a giant underwater vacuum, sucking sediment off the bottom into a central hopper, then sailing to designated dredge material placement sites, or to places where that material is needed most. The Donnelly takes this time-tested mission and pairs it with modern design, automation, and safety features.
So my name is Toby Winkler. I'm the chief engineer of the soon-to-be dredge Donnelly, and my role on the vessel is once we take delivery, I will be the department head for the engineering department. So far, specific improvements, it's a diesel-electric plant, and it's true diesel-electric. There's no shaft of propulsion, so it allows us to really optimize the available horsepower, so less power is necessary to move the vessel around, it's consuming less fuel. So far as the dredge systems, that's probably where the new vessel really stands out. IHC has provided us with some really remarkable equipment, starting with the dredge pumps. They're called Cutter Specials, and 40 years of research and development. I mean, these things are fantastic, and all kinds of sciencey geometry going on in those dredge pumps, but they make for ultra efficient dredge pumps, which are the heart and soul of the dredge. So far as the hopper system goes, they're hydraulically opening doors with hydraulically opening sand channels, and that will allow us a much reduced kind of cycle time, so we can dig and dump much faster than McFarland is capable of.
Turning a design on paper into steel in the water is a team effort. At Allanton Shipyard, Eastern Shipbuilding Group is using modular construction, building large blocks of the hull, fitting them with piping, cabling, and equipment, then moving and welding them together. Throughout construction, USACE staff from the Marine Design Center and the Philadelphia district are on site, inspecting, testing, and verifying that systems meet the standards needed for a federal hopper dredge.
My name is Bobby McCullough. I work for Marine Design Center with the Army Corps of Engineers. My role on board the Donnelly program within the Dredge Programs branch is to oversee the quality assurance and ensure that overall construction is being completed in accordance with contract and drawing requirements. So as a typical day of quality assurance, I'm inspecting construction quality, welding quality, ensuring piping systems are being tested, and system installation.
From steel cutting in 2025 to the recent keel laying milestone earlier this year, each step reflects close collaboration between ESG, USACE, and the Royal IHC design team. When the Donnelly joins the fleet, she will support the Corps' navigation mission alongside private industry when extra capacity is needed. In moments when storms close channels or ports experience unexpected shoaling, or strategic seaports must be rapidly prepared to support military deployment, she can be called upon to help restore safe, reliable navigation.
Seeing the ship take shape and being constructed, it gives me great pride that I'm part of something that's going to help the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, the dredging process, and the United States.
For 250 years, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers has maintained our nation's water resources, dredging channels, surveying coasts, improving rivers and harbors, and building locks, dams, and levees that keep our economy moving. The Donnelly is a steel-hulled reminder of that enduring maritime mission. She will carry the castle on her stack and a legacy of service in every port she visits. And as she takes shape in the yard, she reflects the ingenuity of her designer and builder, and America's commitment to infrastructure that safeguards our nation's waterways.